Hi, my name's Karen Borg and I teach the science classes for Covenant Homeschool Resource Center. And this video is about the program that we offer for the middle school students, which was like 6th through 8th grade. It's a once a month program, so they come down to Covenant. We meet in room 3 for our science classes. And the difference between, if you have a 6th grader, the difference between 6th grade in the middle school class and 6th grade in the 4th through 6th grade class would be there's a little bit more writing and recording in the middle school program. It is not a textbook class. There's no quizzes or things like that, but there is a little bit of note-taking and definitely more recording. So they come once a month into room 3. There's 2 to 3 students to a table, and each table does their lab activities. I rarely just demonstrate something that they observe, but they actually do all their lab activities. So this year, we're doing cells and taxonomy, ecosystems and biomes, and our solar system and stars. So that's our earth science section. For physical science, we would be doing solutions, chemical reactions, and 2 different electricity classes, and then 1 on magnetism. So we have a really full slate planned, and it's going to be a lot of fun. The students take everything that they do is done that class. Nothing carries over to the next class, with the exception might be the 1 electricity class. So you can register online, and I hope to see you in one of our science classes this year. Thanks.